Hey there, Sean from Street or Track. It's an early Friday morning. We've got all this stuff built for our 1970 resto mod project that we're working on with MotorCity Grind in Royal Oak, Michigan. We're gonna head over there now, unload all this stuff, and the plan is to get all the front suspension, rear end, front rear brakes done in the next couple of days. So stay tuned and we'll keep you updated. MotorCity in Royal Oak. I haven't seen the car in probably a couple of months. We've been busy building all the stuff for it. Jim's guys have been wet sanding the car. I'm really excited to go take a look. So before we unload, let's go take a quick look at the car. All right, there she is, ready. Guys have been wet sanding. Looks pretty nice. Look at those lights. It's pretty cool. Paint looks really good. Lots of sound deadening gone in. Looks like some window trim there. Oh, what's this little surprise? Look at that. It's a little carbon fiber hood scoop built by Foreman Fiberworks. We'll get to see that on the hood later.